A strong quake jolted southwestern Japan around 4:27 p.m. on July 28th. Footage from Kumamoto Castle shows sections of its stone walls collapsing. At Saga Station, footage showed the train shaking at the moment of the quake. The earthquake, centered in Kumamoto Prefecture, registered a seismic intensity of 7, the highest level on Japan's seismic intensity scale. Japan's Meteorological Agency said that the epicenter was in the Kumamoto region of Kumamoto Prefecture, with a focal depth of 10 kilometers. The earthquake had an estimated magnitude of 7.1. The maximum seismic intensity of 7 was recorded in Uki City and Hikawa town in Kumamoto Prefecture. The quake registered an upper 6 in areas including Mashiki and Misato towns. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued a tsunami advisory for the Ariake Sea and Yatsushiro Sea. Anyone in or near the water should leave the area immediately and move to higher ground or away from the coast. According to Shikoku Electric Power, no abnormalities were detected at Unit 3 of the Akata nuclear power plant after the area was struck by a quake recording a 4 on the seismic intensity scale. No impacts or abnormalities have been reported at Units 1 and 2, where decommissioning work is currently underway.